Joseph, I don't want to go to school today.
Me either, dude.
What's that noise?
Hey, what's up, you friggin' twinks?
Whoa! Cody, did you get a new bike?
Yeah, I did. My mom got it for me so I don't have to walk to school.
Is that a f***ing cat?
I feel like it's distracting from my bike.
Yeah, the cat.
I think we should all focus on how cool my new bike is.
But there's a cat!
Cool,
Kitty, 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 kitty!
Yo, but
Kitty, kitty!
I got
Oh, look at the
it
kitty!
has a bell, see?
But look at the kitty! The cat's gone.
My bike, though!
Oh yeah, you got a bike!
Yeah, I did.
Joseph, you see his bike?
Yeah, dude.
What? Joseph just stole your bike!
I don't know what I was expecting.
Well, I don't know why he thinks he can get away with that. We have to see him at school later.
Well, I guess I'll just walk to school with you.
Come on, let's go.